Hey, this is Zach Church, and this is my bike check. Odyssey Lumberjack bars, had these things for like a year. Great bars. Odyssey Griswold grips. Snafu bar ends. S&M Redneck stem and Realtree camo. We the People integrated headset. FitShiv version 1 forks. Alienation ultralight front wheel. Got a hollow axle on it there. Shadow Little Ones pegs. Macneil BB frame, like my favorite frame I've ever run. It's a great frame, buy it. Profile seat. Macneil. Miraco seat post. Madera seat clamp. Premium 16 spline cranks. Odyssey twisted PC pedals. Glow in the dark. Kinda cool, kinda gay at the same time. Miraco sprocket. Spanish BB. Primo Mix 9-tooth right-hand drive back hub. Shadow hub guard. Alienation runaway rim. And Fit FAF teal wall tires. Awesome tires. Get those too. Thanks for watching.